In front of me is Honor View 20 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions presented on your screen. So in my case, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on this black area. If you wish to switch off one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!